Wingardium Leviosa! It levitated in the wrong direction. Accio! Something went wrong. Expecto Patronum!
Oh, Sam, it's clear that your Patronus is a chocolate.
Yes! I mean, no. How do you know? But this doesn't prove anything!
Sammy, when will you stop scaring everyone with your spells? Fluffy's afraid to come out of his house.
I was just trying to transfigure
By
him.
poking him with a wand? You can't do that to cats or any other living beings.
How else should I practice magic? You made this wand for me yourself! Guys, do you remember that video when Sue made me this wand? Give a thumbs up to support me!
Well, the wand is good. No arguing there. I'd give it a thumbs up myself. But you've always said that we should move with the times. And in the modern world, magic is also created with modern gadgets.
Magic with gadgets? No way!
It's true. I can show you how to create a real wonder with a tablet and a few simple items.
Can you imagine wizards from Harry Potter shooting spells from mobile phones? I sure can't.
When you see my magic, you'll change your opinion for sure.
We'll see.
Hi guys! Welcome to the School of Modern Magic. Today we…
Obliviate!
Sam!
So, what are you going to do today?
Build an amazing, incredible hologram from things you probably already have at home.
Memory erasing spell didn't work.
Our Sam won't give up. Right, let's start on the hologram. First, I need to make a stencil.
Alohomora! Come on! Alohomora! Well, fine. Stay locked then.
Great, the stencil is done. Now I need some empty CD boxes. I need to cut out 4 shapes just like this. Oh, Sammy, what are you doing?
Well, I found these CDs and decided to find use for them. I've made a classy magic vehicle.
And you said modern technologies don't mix with magic.
Oops!
Only the last shape is left. Remember to be very careful with this cutter.
Expelliarmus! Come on! I'm Expelliarmusing you!
Sam, you're bothering me. What are you trying to do?
Well, you said it yourself. It's a dangerous object, so I want to disarm you.
Well, it probably only works on wands.
Could be.
There, the last shape is done. And now I need to connect them. Oh, where's the tape?
Wingardium Leviosa! Oh, look, Sue, it's flying!
Are you sure?
Well, it's, just here for support, just in case.
Yeah, right. Give me the tape back, would you?
Here.
Thanks. Wait. Sam, you're not afraid of this horrible tape?
Well, if you need it for the process, you can overcome any fear.
Really? Well, that's good then. Guys, do you agree? Can you overcome your fear if you really need it for something? Write in the comments. Now, I'll use this tape I'm absolutely not afraid of and connect these 4 parts.
It doesn't look like magic, I'm telling you.
Just you wait. See what happens next. I'll take a tablet and place this construction carefully on it. And now…
What? How? It's floating in the air without a magic spell?
Stop yelling and just watch. That's modern magic for you, Sammy. Sammy? Hey, Sammy!
I think I'm enchanted.
Guys, if you're also enchanted with this magical hologram, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. We'll think of even more modern wonders.
Guys, I've been thinking. If you make a holographic projector like this, attach video links with your holograms in the comments below, and we'll show you the most beautiful ones.
Oh, that's a wonderful idea, Sammy. Guys, make projectors and link your videos in the comments. We'll be waiting. Bye!
Guys, and if you prefer good old magic, don't forget to check out the video where Sue made this wand for me. It was really cool. I'm off.
Guys, share this video with your friends and let's get it to 2,000 thumbs up. And while you do that, Sammy and I will make another video for you.